Creating a professional, user-friendly website for your business can present multiple challenges. Business owners that lack the technical knowledge to overcome these challenges will benefit from Easysitebuilder. Create your dream website within a user-friendly environment that is easy to navigate. To start building your dream website, simply select a theme. We offer a wide range of themes designed for different businesses. Select a theme best suited to your requirements. If you wish to change themes, you can. Your content will transfer to the new theme automatically. Once you have selected a theme suitable to your current business requirements, you will be loaded into our user-friendly website building interface. Here you will notice a wide range of tools available. The first thing we are going to do is set a background for our website. This can either be a color or an image. You can also select the size and position of your background within this menu. Once you have configured your background correctly, press apply. Having a navigation menu allows your visitors to access all pages with ease. In this example, we will create links for our homepage, about us, our barbers, and a contact information. Ensure all the pages you create are added to the navigation menu, allowing visitors to find pages with ease. Once your navigation menu has been created, we can customize it. From here, we can change the position of the menu on the website. We can also include a background color or image that changes depending on the device the visitor is using. Customizing text is simple. Simply select the font, size, and color you require. Now let's add a logo to our web page. A logo can be imported as a picture, however for clients that do not have graphical designers, one can be made using shapes. Shapes are very customizable to fit your current requirements. Great, our website is coming along nicely. We will now include information about our business so visitors know what products we sell or the services we provide. For example, the service this website will be providing is haircuts. Now we will add our About Us section to our webpage. If you use a button for this section, when visitors click About Us in the navigation menu, they will be brought to this section of your webpage. It is important to provide detailed information regarding the products you sell or the services you provide so visitors understand what your business does. Now you have created your first web page using the Easysitebuilder. It is now recommended to go ahead and add additional information regarding the products or services your business provides. A website provides your business with an online presence. An online presence can increase real-world conversions as the rate of discovery of your business has been increased dramatically through search engines. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more Easysitebuilder tutorials.